Okay, so here I am at Black Rock Canyon. I think I found a pretty nice spot to camp in the backcountry, about 3 miles in. So we have down there the Black Rock Canyon Trail that goes, actually I think most of the length of the park, and you can go more than 30 miles if you want. Black Rock Canyon campground is out there someplace, but I came in from that way. Pretty happy with this little spot I found. Here with a little bit of elevation. And I have set up camp here. So there's a little bit of protection from the wind. So I don't know if it'll be windy or not. It rained a little bit on the drive over. So I have some protection from that, but also nice sweeping views of the canyon. So it is about 3:20, and I'll probably do some reading and explore the surrounding area. Thought I'd get a shot of the inside of my tent. Got everything I need for just one night here. I hiked in with a 70-liter pack. Brought some extra clothes for warmth. I don't think it's going to be that cold tonight. Have some cooking stuff here. Have some food and coffee. And the thing I like about this tent is it has a gear attic for lights and stuff like that. And then I've got some supplies just to go out to do a very short exploration of the immediate area. So I'm hoping for some clear skies tonight to see the stars. Obviously the clarity out here is really fantastic, so I hope it will be a nice clear night. And it's almost on the verge of a new moon, so we're at the end of a waning crescent, so the light from the moon should be almost nothing, so I hope to see some stars. And this is my current view. We'll see if I see any bighorn sheep. I hope so.